You're afraid to talk about money. I get it. But every day you buy something, you discuss money. If you want a discount, you discuss money. It's just you're becoming the producer and not the consumer. And now you're not talking about money. You're talking about your product. You're talking about your service, something that you care about, something that you created, something that you want a good price for. You're scared of sales. If you get laid, you're selling yourself. So instead of selling yourself to get laid, sell yourself to get paid. It's the same thing. That's what I'm here to teach you guys. Will has already been invented. Find you something that brings you joy, that you're good at intrinsically, that you don't have to work hard at, or that's something you went to school for and you may be working at a job for someone else for, and turn that into your own product and service. You mean to tell me you got the best lawn in your HOA neighborhood? You win lawn of the month, of the year, of the quarter, all the time. Everybody always complimenting on you on your lawn. And you're not out here selling your services to your neighbors? Woo! That's crazy. Listen, if you want to change your life, you got to do something different. You call service business companies because your ass needs service. Be the company that gets called. That's my message to you. Why not be the company that gets called? It doesn't take a lot. All you have to do is be handy or creative or simply have a talent that you've been blessed and bestowed with that a lot of people don't have, or a lot of people don't have and they're willing to turn into a product or a service. So you mean to tell me you around here paying people room, not taking footage of it, recording the before and after, so you ain't got no business right now? That's crazy. You mean to tell me you the go-to macaroni maker out of everybody you know, but you ain't got no business or no pay selling your services right now? That's crazy. You mean to tell me everybody wants you to bake them that pound cake? Everybody wants you to make them that sweet potato pie. But you don't got a page displaying all the products that you made? That's wild. These are situations you find yourself in. People calling you and asking you for things. You're producing those things. Hey, record some footage, take some pictures, make some content, create you a page, and start getting paid out here. Wi-Fi bread. You mean to tell me you got the best talk game? You get all the girls, everybody complimenting you on how you dress, and you're not a lifestyle image consultant? You're not getting paid for the things that already are in you? That's crazy. Every time your grandma need that room painted, she call her baby over there to paint that room. Every time your grandma need that grass cut, she call that baby over there and you go cut that grass. Or if she needs something put together, if everybody calls you to do these things, bro, you have a business. You have a product or a service you can sell. You just gotta wrap your head around the concept. I promise you, people are out here getting paid for less. You mean to tell me you've been working in restaurants over 10 years. You cook everything for everybody, and they love the way you cook. You sell plates. You sell salads in jars. But you ain't really out here promoting yourself. Got a page. Got you a building with all that money you done made selling plates. A food truck. A roach coach. That's crazy. What up, guys? I just came here to say, you gotta have the spirit of abundance and winners in you. One thing about me, I'm gonna cheer everybody on. If you winning and you succeeding, I'm going to cheer you on. If you a little bit away, I'm going to help you cross that bridge. If you're missing it by a bigger picture, I'm going to try and help you find guidance on where to get where you're going. So what I'm saying is, you have to be willing to help people win. And sometimes you got to do it for free. So everybody that has access to me, personally, they get that game for free. Because I'm down and I'm willing to help them win. And then there are people who don't. So what I'm saying is, those that have followed me on Instagram and on YouTube and have reached out and have emailed me have more than likely won and gotten free access to me. The fee ain't always in cash. So if y'all can be of service, that's what y'all gotta offer y'all service, because when you're constantly giving, your hands open so you're able to receive. If you're just always closed-fisted, you're gonna have a lot of fight and turmoil in your life. So just be willing to give of yourself, give of your knowledge, give of your time, and in return, you will receive everything that it is that you desire. I promise you guys, that's how the universe works. So signing off, holla at you, peace.